good to see all 5 of you out here today. Thank you, Stephen Cox. You know, Dale Derry, it's good to see that you're one of the 4 that showed up today. It's going to be an amazing event. We're going to have fun, all 4 of us. Really excited about today.
Okay, I'm here with Ethan from pickupmybug.com,
and almost means not YouTube, and hashtag pickupmybug on Instagram.
Yeah, and so he does have a YouTube channel, but he's into machining. He's got a Smitty lathe, if I remember right.
Yeah, I have a Smith mill lathe combo, so it has a mill on the top and a lathe just laid out. So
Yeah, and so we know, and a lot of our viewers know, that the machining field's kind of a dying field, and so when you find a young guy like this that's wanting to get in the trade, we just want to encourage him. So we wanted to present him with one of our half-inch boring bars, so that he can use that in his lathe. And anyhow, why don't you tell us a little bit about your project and some of the things you're doing?
So my current project in Almost Means Not is to make my 2003 VW Beetle into a pickup. So this is going to be like the finished product. It's going to be a Beetle with half of it cut off and a pickup bed set into it. So that's my current project. I need to raise money, so I'm cutting out little chunks of my car, and they're like 20 to 30 bucks on the web store for pickupmybug.com. And that's my project, and I really need some help. So my favorite part about it is that it's a stitch shift, so I can learn stitch shift in as my first car. So
how old are you?
Currently I'm 13, but
so you plan on having that done by the time you get your license?
Yeah, 16, 3 years.
Yeah, well, good.
Ish.
And you guys are out of Wisconsin, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Wisconsin, like Milwaukee area. So.
Yeah, well, they're in Wisconsin. We're in Holland, Michigan, so they're just across the big pond from us. So.
Yeah.
So anyhow, it was a pleasure meeting you guys, and I wish you well on your project. Hope things go, and I hope that boring bar works out real well for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. I'm here with Stan at the Good of the Land Fest.
Hey guys.
And I think all my subscribers will probably know Stan from Bar Z. he makes these HotShot ovens, and he's got ours right here. We've been wanting one of these, and Stan knew we were going to be at this event. He's going to come down here, so he just brought ours right here, and we're going to be bringing that home with us. And
well, it was better for me. I mean, I needed one to display, and you were nice enough to let me display yours. I know everybody's handled it, and I'm sorry for all the handprints, but you know, we're going to get it cleaned up and give it to you. But I want you to enjoy your oven. Now, for those of you that don't know, the HotShot 360, the small version, is a 6 by 6 by 10 working area, and that's where we came up with the 360. So small projects, it's a good size. It heats up quickly, cools down quickly. It's not heavy, it stores easily, and it runs on 110 volt.
yeah, and what price if someone was wanting to buy these?
They're below $1,000.
Yeah. So it's actually a good price for a heat treat oven, and this will come in so handy. I already got plans when I get back, once we get it broke in. I got some parts already that I want to pop in there and get done.
We can break it in today if you want. I got all the programming in my head. I can program it without a computer.
Maybe we'll do that.
It stinks, but we can.
Will the stink be out by the time we leave? We'll fill the car?
No, it'll be. When are you leaving?
Probably 8, 9 p.m. or however long it goes here. I don't know.
Tonight?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
When this is done.
Okay, we're staying until tomorrow, but
okay.
Yeah, you can probably get it done today.
Okay. That'll be great.
Yeah.
Anyhow, just a big thanks for Stan for the oven, and if you go to his site, we'll put a link.
I got him on the website.
Okay,
on barsleyindustrial.com. We just got him up there. I don't think there's any pricing there yet.
Okay.
But you can go read about him, and you can go, you know, at least see some of the features and stuff. Sure. If you want to zoom in, we can show you some of the features. It's all 304 stainless construction, so you don't have to worry about any rust, because these things do get hot. And a regular, even a powder coated material, you'd start seeing little bits of rust on the corners after a few years. And so even the handles, all the door hardware, everything's stainless steel, so you don't have anything to worry about. It's a 2-inch refractory interior. The floor is a high density refractory brick, but it's removable. It just slides out. And if you're sliding parts in and out of there and you wear out the floor, it's easily changed. It uses a Canthal A1 element, nichrome element. It's 2,000 watts. It's got a kale wool door, which also acts as a door seal. You can probably see that square, and that's where this actually creates a seal up against the kale wool board, so you don't have any leakage around there. So that's the interior.
Safety switch.
Right. It uses a ball type latch. So there's 2 springs and 2 balls in there that create like a friction latch there. So if you've got this oven closed, it's not a positive latching device. If you have something unsafe that happens in the oven and there's an explosion inside the oven, the door just blows open. So some of the ovens I've seen on the market actually have a positive type latch, so there's no explosion relief. If you do have an explosion, you're going to destroy your oven. There is a door interlock. There's a little stainless steel rod here that connects to a micro switch inside the control panel that drops out the heating element. So if you go in with a pair of tongs and accidentally cross up the 2 sides of the element, you don't get shocked and you don't destroy your element, because you will damage that element in a blink of an eye if you don't. So when the door opens, it takes away all the electricity inside of here. We've got a removable controller that your thumb and your forefinger just pinch and pull. It uses a micro USB, which is the same as your GoPro, basically. And this can be flash programmed via the software from Novus. I use a Novus controller. So you can get the software from them. It doesn't cost a dime. And you can flash program this with your times and temperatures.